A strange object, which scientists hastened to call a meteorite weighing 10 tons and a diameter of 1 meter, and which they promised to find very quickly, since the place of the fall was known, was never found. It is worth noting that the confidence of scientists precisely in the fall of this unidentified object that entered the dense layers of the Earth's atmosphere on December the 23rd along a gentle trajectory is puzzling. Firstly, the trajectory along which the object entered the Earth's atmosphere suggests that the object did not fall, namely, it passed through the dense layers of the atmosphere, and on the video made by Eyewitnesses, it is clearly visible that after passing through the dense layers of the atmosphere, accompanied by flashes and burning, the object did not collapse, did not explode, but continued flying along a gentle trajectory with a decrease. The object entered the Earth's atmosphere near the border between Nankin and Yushu counties and fell, and most likely landed in the area of the city of Yushu, where more than 400,000 people live. But local residents did not report an explosion, fall or other anomalies, which, if it were a meteorite, would have been recorded by them. On the same day, after the fall of the meteorite in the direction of its fall, a strange unidentified source of red light was seen, which appeared in the sky, and was recorded by motorists driving along the Dalinga highway in Qinghai province. The huge pink ball remained visible for about 40 minutes. Eyewitnesses filmed a video of this pink sphere, and it can be assumed that this unusual pink glow envelops a certain spherical object. Apparently, the object that entered the Earth's atmosphere in the sky over China was not a meteorite, and it did not fall to the ground, and after passing through the dense layers of the atmosphere, it simply stopped in the air, enveloped in some kind of protective field.